Hello there, YouTube. What is today? Wednesday. I haven't worked all month. I'm off the entire month of July, so I think it's July 7th, 8th, 7th, wait, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. It's the 7th, I think. I don't even get on the computer anymore, but I will today when I work this video. But last video I did, I said this thing was just all over the lane, and it's Sam Smith told me to put more air in the front tires. I was running 20 pounds, so and 26 in the back. So what I did was I put the maximum 22 in the front, and then I put 30 in the back. Holy cow. So I'll try to see if that would help, and it's really not helping yet. I mean, I get in that lane, that was a true press test. I get in the lane and it dances. And like I said in the other video, the Goldwing will never do that, man. I just track with the front wheel right in the center, and it's got big, like 12-inch tires on the back, so it tracks completely true, and you know, it doesn't dance anywhere in the lanes, no matter what kind of road I'm on. So that's probably going to continue to be the one I take trips on, because this one's just I mean, it rides really smooth because of the two wheels on the front. It's really smooth, but it doesn't track. It dances even with the higher air pressure. I think it might be a little bit better, but it's here's my reasoning. And on the Goldwing, I can just stick the cruise on and just cruise, and I can look around and I can see everything going on. Here I have to focus on staying in my lane, which is kind of weird. So you got to focus more on riding this thing than you do looking around, because you can kind of veer off and zip right into the next lane. Kind of odd. And it's new. It's got the new shocks on it, so it's and when I get on a good road, it's perfect. But you get on these construction roads, see that lane right in the center? That used to be a stripe right there. Now that you hit that and you just dance all over the place. It just kind of shoots over. It shouldn't be shooting all over the lane no matter what, but it does. So it's kind of a little disconcerting, and I rode in the rain on this one time, and granted, it was really heavy rain, and there's a lot of water on the road, and it hydroplaned. It just like all over the place. And I hit rain the other day when I was on the Goldwing. It doesn't scare me at all. It doesn't move. It just tracks straight. I mean, I'd like to take this on a trip and see how it does, but it's a little bit more of a really pay attention versus just sit back and cruise. Bah. Okay, this road's better because it's newer. It's not grooved yet, so this thing rides really nice on a road that's not grooved. It's not awful. It's just something you really have to pay attention to. When you're on a grooved road, it's not as relaxing because you got to really pay attention so you don't dart over from the groove. But this is much better because this road's newer. Trucks haven't ruined it yet like those trucks. Real heavy dump trucks. And concrete seems to be good because it doesn't groove. So this road's pretty comfortable. It tracks pretty good on a good road.